Hello guys, this is JC from FABTECH Metals. Today I'm going to show you guys how to build an ACM panel. The things that you're going to need is some clamps so you can hook your extrusions to the side of your ACM panel, your rivet gun, your drill with the 3/16 bracket, some clamps, some corners that we make here at FABTECH. And so again, your rivets, 3/16 also. So next step, we're gonna go to our bending machine called the joints. We're gonna bend this side and the other side so we can get it started. We're gonna be bending the sides of the ACM panel. This is our machine, a 20-footer joints bending machine. We usually make a lot of stuff here, studs, fabrication. But today, we're gonna Next step is bend the other side so we can bend them with the joints. We're gonna make it in half. Just grab your clamps. Next step, you're gonna take off this little plastic which comes on top of the color. We usually make this out of courtesy, you know, so we can make our installers easier, you know, so they won't. It usually comes later. You gotta grab your corners that we make here. Usually we can make bunch of these. We can make them here, you know, for customers, for companies. Next step, put your corners at the corners. Grab your extrusion. Have an inch on each side. You know, if you have more than an inch, just divide it. Grab your clamps. Okay, next step, this is the foam part, the drilling part. Usually grab your drill with the 3/16. You insert your rivet. This is the bigger side. You gotta repeat the process. You know, put your corner. Have a good, decent divided side. So this is the other side, guys. Same thing, same process. Secure the extrusion so it will move while you're. Next side, same process, same thing. Secure your side so your rivets can go. Okay guys, we finished our ACM panel. This is how it looks. There's like a little good half an inch standing up. You know? So this was JC from FABTECH Metals. Good to see you guys. See you next time. Okay guys, so this is one of our orders for today's week. This is an order for Carmex in Amarillo. It's gonna ship out very soon, you know, probably tomorrow, Saturday.